My name's Rachel Haynes and I'm a psychology lecturer at ACAP Brisbane. My PhD and area of research interest is understanding maladaptive daydreaming. This is an unknown phenomenon whereby a person experiences an alternative and preferable daydream lifestyle, which is both compulsive and functionally destructive. In my PhD, I used 2 case studies and 14 forum participants' data to construct this first Australian theory of maladaptive daydreaming. So that's my PhD in a nutshell. 3 to 4 years of extensive research efforts, lengthy ethics application, travel to numerous countries, numerous hours of coding and many rewrites and edits of the final thesis. But let me share with you the actual theory in the time that I have. So the visual depiction of the theory on screen shows a 2-directional theory with one direction of emotional protection and the other direction of emotional growth. At the top, you can see the beginning of the process whereby an input stressor is involved. This might be social difficulty, for example. Each of these input stressors have previously been identified within the literature and were also appeared across both of my studies. As you can see, the next part of the theory shows how kinesthetic behaviours and addictive behaviours are involved. Now, these are movement and music that are used to commence the maladaptive daydreaming experience. Through the emotional protection pathway, participants describe their maladaptive daydreaming as being a means of coping with external struggles, protecting them from difficult emotions and protecting them from traumatic memories and helping to fill in emotional gaps in their life. On the emotional growth pathway, on the other hand, they resolved emotional pain, processed the emotions in the safe environment of the daydreaming, including trauma, aggression and social emotions. And this gave them a perceived control and new experiences of compassion and also new perspectives. Either way, whichever pathway they chose, emotional disturbances were absorbed and emotional processing occurred. As you can see at the bottom of the visual depiction, the differential emotional processing theory of maladaptive daydreaming provides a new explanation for the maladaptive daydream experience. If you're interested in this theory of maladaptive daydreaming and would like to see a longer video than this brief synopsis, then please send me an email at rachel.haynes@acap.edu.au, particularly in terms of the theory's usefulness in managing and potentially harnessing the maladaptive daydreaming. So this is my original contribution to psychology, and I thank you very much for listening to me. Goodbye.